Dear student, our next chapter is 7th and chapter name is Teeth and Tongue. So firstly, in our previous chapter we have read about our sense organs. Now here we read about in that chapter we read all sense organs, but here we read about only teeth and tongue. So in this chapter we have to learn about tongue, teeth, tooth decay and teeth of animals. So first is tongue. The tongue is a taste organs inside the mouth. Firstly we tell na that tongue is the taste organ. So it is attached firmly to the bottom of the mouth. Firmly means very softly. That softly uh, attached with our mouth. So you can never swallow your tongue even if you try. If you swallow your tongue, no, it is not possible. So function of tongue, but the tongue helps to taste food. So in that chapter we also read now that tongue help us to taste the food. So there are several little bumps on the surface of the tongue called taste buds. See here, this is your picture of tongue, and these different written here, not taste. This is your taste buds. Okay. These are located at the front, back, and side of the tongue. See here, front, back, and side of the tongue. So in these bumps there are taste buds that can identify four basic tastes: that's sweet, salty, sour and bitter. So these bumps na, this tell us about this area tell us about bitter, this sour, salty, sweet, here also salty and sour. The tip of the tongue is sensitive to sweet taste. Our tongue is a sensitive. Okay. So the back of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste. Now tip here, this is the sweet, and this back about bitter taste. Na? The side of the tongue are sensitive to sour and salty taste. So firstly I will tell now that this area tell about bitter, and here sweet, and here sour and salty. The tongue helps us to speak. Now the main function of the tongue, what? Firstly the tongue helps us to taste. Now the tongue helps us to speak. With the help of tongue we have to speak. Okay. The rolling action of the tongue works with the teeth and help us to speak clearly. Rolling na, like that. When you speak na, your tongue na become rolling, and you have to speak with the help of tongue when you rolling your tongue, and which works with the teeth also. Okay. So care of tongue, how we can take care of our tongue. Firstly we just read now. The tongue regularly gets covered with bacteria. Okay. So when you eat food na, then your tongue na covered with bacteria. So it is important to keep it clean. So it's must you have to clean your tongue. Use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. It removes the bacteria that form on the tongue and also protect us from the bad breath. If there is a bacteria in your mouth, then bad breath coming from your mouth. Okay, so you have to remove that bacteria from your mouth, from your tongue, using a good tongue cleaner. So do not eat very hot or spicy food. It is not good for the tongue. If you eat firstly I will tell that if you eat a spicy thing or hot things, then your taste bud become a damage for some time. Okay, so never eat this food. Use a good mouthwash every day after brushing your teeth. It keeps the mouth clean. So every day you have to use a good mouthwash for your mouth. Now teeth. Firstly we read about full our tongue. Now here we read about our teeth. Teeth are hard structure fixed into our jaw bones. बच्चे our mouth having a two jaw. There is a upper jaw, and behind of our tongue there is a lower jaw, and in our mouth there is a two jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. So teeth are fixed with our upper jaw and lower jaw. The soft pink tissue that hold the teeth is called gums. Bache, see here, this is our mouth. Oh sorry, this is our teeth part. Okay, so gums what, which here written na, the soft pink tissue that hold, which holding our teeth na, that is gums which hold our teeth. So the crown is the visible part of the teeth. Here upper side you have to see there is a crown part. This white part there is a crown part. The part inside the gums is called the root. Now there is a roots have in our teeth. You have to see here. This is our structure of teeth. This is the crown part which is visible. Okay, upper side na white covering, that is called enamel. After that layer coming, that is dentine. After that this nerves which having a blood, that pulp cavities. Okay, that pulp cavities. And downside this red blood moving na, gingiva, here root canals. Okay, this is the neck, and here all part is root. The three main layer of the teeth are enamel, dentine and pulp. Firstly I will tell na that first upper side enamel, then dentine, then pulp cavity. The next layer is dentine. The center of the teeth is called pulp. So it is soft and has nerves and blood vessels. Bache, this pulp cavity having a nerves in which blood moving in our teeth. Clear bache? Now type of teeth. Types of teeth. People have different number of teeth at different time of their lives. Bache, people having a different teeth in their throughout life. Okay, two times their teeth coming. Okay, only two times. So newborn babies have no teeth. Newborn baby having teeth? No. So as they grow, their teeth appear. Whenever small baby grow na, then their teeth appears. When children are about 2 or 3 years old, they have a set of 20 teeth, that is called milk teeth. Now what is milk teeth? When children become a 2 or 3 year old and they have a set of 20 teeth. When 20 teeth coming, that is called milk teeth. So now the new teeth the children get after losing the milk teeth are called permanent teeth. But you see, when we lose our milk teeth, after that there is a permanent teeth coming. So this process usually as a 12-year-old child has a set of 28 teeth. So when a child become a 12-year-old, then they have a 28 teeth. That is a permanent teeth. So these do not get replaced if broken. But if permanent teeth broken, then that not replaced. Okay, so between the age of 20 to 30, 4 more teeth appear, is called wisdom teeth after 20 year. Between to 20 and 30 year, 4 more teeth appear in our mouth, and that teeth are called wisdom teeth. So in a permanent set there are 4 kind of teeth. Firstly we read about types of teeth na. Types of teeth only 2 have, that milk teeth and permanent teeth. Now here function of there is a 4 kinds of teeth. Okay,